Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am creating a versatile Diwali makeup look which would hardly take 10 minutes. But before that, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Now let's get started. So first I am using moisturizer. Make sure to apply it all over your face and massage it well into your skin. Next, use a primer. I am using my Glam primer. It will blur out all my pores. Next, conceal all the imperfection. I'm using LA Girl Pro Concealer, same shade as my skin tone, and covering my dark circles, pigmentations and acne marks. I'm going to prime my eyes also with this concealer, so using the same. Next, I'm using Makeup Forever foundation. It's a lightweight foundation and feels like skin. Now to highlight my under eye, I'm using Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. Now as I am using a cream blush, I'll be applying it before powdering my face. I'm using M.A.C blush. Setting my face with Maybelline Fitme loose powder. Only setting those areas which creases and sweat. I'm using MAC Kohl to create a smoky look. Now for my crease, I am using dark brown from this palette. Now using black eyeshadow to create some depth. Now fill in the waterline with the kajal and set it with an eyeshadow. Using Maybelline Master Chrome to highlight my inner corners. L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara. Remove the excess powder from your under eye. Using the same highlighter to highlight my face. Using a nude color lip gloss from Fenty Beauty because my eyes are loud. This look is perfect for any outfit. You can wear it on any occasion. Hope you guys like this video. If you did, then make sure to like and share. Until next time, bye.